HSLC Physics Simplified Test Series in a bolu aban na zong kino hitin go youtube.netlify.app zong visit na bol zeng hitin tunia hin Faraday's results of Faraday's experiment on electromagnetic induction and napan hitin first results here whenever there is a relative motion between a coil and a magnet, induced current flows in the coil. In other words, whenever there is a change in the number of magnetic lines of force linking with a coil, an induced EMF is set up in the coil. Number two, induced current in the coil lasts only as long as there is change in the number of magnetic lines of force linking with the coil. Number three, the strength of induced EMF is directly proportional to the change of magnetic lines of force linked with the coil. Hichi results of Faraday's experiment hin diagram khat ana value ani he thiam thei di in Roman number 1 2 3 hi atum tuma diagram I explain hum ki bol ding hin chichu ana value hitin relative motion iga ahead kidingo khat chu a first result pa hi definition of electromagnetic induction hizing ahe. So the first result of Faraday's experiment itself is the result is the definition of electromagnetic induction. So relative motion between coil and magnet generates induced current akitir ale hichi ahi ga het theidinga chu hichi coil ahin chi coil chu hin chi magnet ahin ahile hichi magnet le relative motion movement cha oma amani ki ka ahi relatively oma ahile hichi coil ahi current ailo le EMF setup hung hiding hum do ding ti na so there has to be a relative motion, either both are in motion, either the magnet or the coil are in motion, or one of them should be in motion. Roman number 2, induced current lasts only during movement. Induced current in the coil lasts only as long as there is change in the number of magnetic lines of force linking with the coil. Hichi current chu how long will it last? How long will the current flow? It will only flow as long as there is change in the number of magnetic lines of force linking with the coil. In other words, movement cha o ma hi le bo chun. Movement cha o ma hi le bo chun between the magnet and the coil, induced current will be set up or current will flow. Si Roman number 2 ma explanation hin si hichi pa hi motion umlo pa hin hichi hi motion au ma hi le hichi a mathematical equation chu chi induced current hi directly proportional to the rate of change ati hin hichi current setup na chu avet sa hin chi equation hin not important for class 10 syllabus. It's Roman number 2 hi mun ni hong ki pe hin khat zo zo chu ji jing the hi. Roman number 3, how the strength, how strong the current will be. The strength of induced current is directly proportional to the rate of change. The rate of change we piham te hale. Suppose isse you chi piham te hale relative motion between the magnet and the coil cha o ma hele bojan current chu produce hiding a iti hin ai le hichi current pa chu a strength chu hat dam nop dam ti pa chu ipina po am iti a hile amani relative motion between them ama motion parts of fast ahi agana ahi le chun a current jong hat jing ding ti ne ne screenshot jong ki bol tin chi se se yong event na hele results of Faraday's experiment to king set jing he tun aban na chal ki no tin question. The direction of the induced current depends upon the direction of the magnetic field and direction of the motion of the coil. The induced current is found to be the highest when the direction of motion of the coil is at right angle to the magnetic field. Atina question ding dan chu hile. On what factors do the direction of the induced current depend? When is the induced current the highest? question chom choma yong kedong the hin. So the direction of the induced current depends on the direction of the magnetic field and direction of the motion of the coil. The induced current chu iti pe na cho maximum hidham iti ahle when the direction of the motion of the coil is at right angle to the magnetic field. Chichu question one mark nga kidong the question important question hi ja ga include hin ale tun aban in electric power plants on avautin amasapen in hydel power plants. Water from higher level is allowed to fall on the blades of the turbine, thereby making the armature of the generator rotate with a great speed. Thermal power plants, steam is produced at high pressure in the boiler that drive the turbine, thereby armature of the coil and hence produced electricity. Nuclear power plants, atomic power plants, the energy released through fission is used to produce steam by boiling water. The steam in turn is used to rotate the turbine of electric generator genset. Diesel, petrol or kerosene is used to rotate the armature of the coil of the generator and hence electricity. Now, hichako na ama power plant so if you bola hydel power plant kit thea alule thermal power plant si bola thermal kit nuclear power plant si bola nuclear power plant kit alule genset jong si bola genset kit ham iti ahle hydel power plant chu chun ipi a turbine rotate alule armature rotate a ball na dinga chu ipi amanam ti ahle tui aman water from higher level atin thermal power plant chu steam is produced at high pressure in the boiler atin nuclear power plant chu energy released through fission is used to produce steam by boiling water atin hichi aman a turbine and armature rotate ahong ki ball na dungzuya chu depending on how the armature is what is used to rotate the armature then and that derives the name of the power plant. Hiti acho power plant min ho he armature rotate ki ball na dungzuya iti ki ball ham dungzuya chu a power plant min ho he hum do he ala ga he thading in image khan na velao hen source of electricity generation a method of running the turbine description in jawa pa ta khat khat hi tho win hi jong le alim da jin ga velao hen hydel power plant hin water falls on turbine blades from a height rotates the armature of the generator to produce electricity. Thermal power plant hin, nuclear power plant hin, genset. Hichi power plants so alul effect names of the power plants are derived from the method of running the turbine. Ale common domestic wiring system amasa in live wire, neutral wire, earth wire discuss in the ballwin a wiring system diagram chi ahin explain yung saka habol data ang kating L hun live wire represent a ball hin and hun neutral wire represent a ball hin black color chu ong hikinin red chu live wire hin black chu neutral wire hin earth wire chu le green hin hichi achunga hichi laipa hi chi earth wire hin hichi it's connected to the metal plate may be embedded beneath the surface of the earth. Tuni video in sim now hichen chung hin tin lungset in channel jong subscribe na ball jingutin na ball hitin tingle like share comment jong na ball hitin loile golte ho ko mayo advertise hilwa hale head sa the yong head so community hi increasable wa improveable wa video quality yong improve involved be dio hi dunia HSLC physics simplified itiwa video series hadin sim benawa hichen chui kakipai